Hello and welcome. In this session, we're going to learn how to create this simple professional business flyer. So, we're going to be using Pixellab and our smartphone. Alright, so the first thing to do from the template here, we're going to be using a blank template because we're creating it from scratch. Then we're going to click on the P tab here and select shapes. And we already have a square shape, so we're going to be using the black color, the shiny black. Then we'll click on the check icon to save and apply the effect. Then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to be using the mask tool. Alright, so we scroll down. Before that, we just click on the enable and scroll down. So click on this bizarre mode. That's to enable us to move the mask. Then we'll click on this action tab. The third one is for rotates. Then we'll drag the rotates bar to 180. Right, so we'll move it to the top and we want something like this. Then we'll click on the check icon to apply the effect. So we're going to be dragging this to spread across the work area, something like this. Alright, so this is all we need. So adjust it to fit in this way. Alright, so we click on the P, we're still on the P tab, then that's it. So from the top, you click on the plus icon, click on shapes, we need another shape, and we'll click on this. We're going to be using this half cycle. Okay, so the next thing to do now is we'll click on the check to apply it. Then from our tab here, while we are selected on the half cycle, we're going to click on texture. Then we're going to select an image as our texture. Then I'm going to be uploading these images to a Google Drive and I'll share the link so you can have access to it in case you want to work with it. Alright, so then we'll click on the check, then we'll drag this, spread it. Okay, we didn't do something. I want us to do something. First of all, we're going to be rotating this. Okay, so just click on the check icon and slide, click on rotate and rotate this way. Then we click on the check, then we'll go back to our texture. Then we need to reselect the image, so select it. Sorry, I didn't select, I viewed it. Select the image, then we're going to rotate the image to be upside down like this. Okay, so click on this, so we want it this way. Yeah, we'll stretch and stretch. Okay, let's see. Then we'll click on this check icon to apply the effect. Then we'll scroll to the left, then click on to back. We're going to send it to the back. Okay, this is what we have. Almost perfect, but let's bring it down a little bit, something like this. Okay, stretch this a little bit and place this here. Let's go. Okay, we have something like this. Right, this is okay this way. Then you click on the P tab. Okay, then we click on this top icon, the plus icon. We'll add another shape. Then we're going to select the cycle shape for now and bring it over to this place and click on the check icon. The next thing we're going to do is click on texture, select an image, and we'll click on OK. So we can use the scale to bring the image, zoom in and out of the image. I think this is better. This is okay. I'll click on the check. Always click on the check to apply the effect. Then the next thing we're going to do is scroll and click on stroke. Click on enable. Then give the stroke a color. So we're going to be using this orange. Then increase the width, something like this. And this is okay now. Then adjust this a little bit. Then scroll, click on copy, adjust, then reduce the size. Click on copy, so we're going to reduce the size a little bit. Alright, so you just place them the way you want them to appear. So once we click on this, we're going to click on texture to change the image. So let's select another image for it. Alright, so we're going to be using ratio 1:1, something like this. And click on OK. We have that. We're going to do that for the second cycle. Click on texture, select image, and we have the third image, ratio 1:1. Right, let's see. Okay, so we have our shapes this way. So in the next tutorial, we're going to be adding the next item, the text and other items. All right, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.